Let's do the review of the market, the stock market. We are going to take a look at Tesla stock. We are going to take a look at the stock indices. We are going to take a look at gold, silver, Bitcoin, Ethereum. Is Bitcoin launching? Is it the time to get back into it? What about Ethereum? Gold and silver have been going higher yesterday. Are they continuing today? Let's take a look at this right now. So Tesla closed at 439.62. We are down $5.61 from yesterday's close. That's 1.26% down. And if we look quickly at the stock indices, so SPX is up, Dow Jones is up, QQQ is down a little bit, and Nasdaq is also down. So Tesla is down a little bit more than Nasdaq. It's not performing as well. So where does that take us for Tesla in terms of the patterns that are at play? Bullish channel right here, boom. Bullish channel, we are still in it. Tesla is still bullish. This is what we can conclude. We are still into the congestion zone. So since September, since mid-September, we have just been going sideways. There's a little bit of noise in the sideways move. This is the noise. The noise is between 410.25 and 467. So any move between these two numbers is pretty much insignificant from the daily chart perspective. Of course, if we switch on the 1 hour chart, then we can find some patterns and try to make money with these smaller moves, because we can see some small patterns happening. You know, we can see some tiny bullish bearish channels, you know, like this one. This is a bearish channel. So, you know, we can find little things sometimes where we can make money on the 1 hour chart while into a congestion zone, and also when we are outside the congestion zone. This is what we do on our Discord server. If you become a YouTube member at the Discord level, this is what we do. We find, not every day, but we find opportunities to make money on the 1 hour chart for Tesla. So speaking of the 1 hour chart, we are starting to get some positive technical indicators. So stochastic is over 60 on the 1 hour chart. So momentum is starting to come back for Tesla. And by the way, this is a higher low than this low right here. So momentum is starting to happen. So because we have a higher low, we can do something like this. So we have a higher low, but we are still blocked. Let me just draw this. So this is a slower bullish channel we have on the 1 hour chart. So this is a fact, you know, this is a low, this is a higher low, this is a fact, boom. This is also a fact that we cannot break above 440.13. So in fact, we are having this little bit of a pattern right here. I think I spoke about it yesterday. So the pattern is that we are making high lows, and here we are pretty much flat. Yes, it came up a little bit, but this was into a downward channel. So maybe we could be having a potential trade coming in soon. And coming in soon means, and I say soon because we are right smack on two resistance. This one right here, so it could be broken tomorrow or not. And this one right here. So we are right smack at an intersection of two resistances. So they could be broken tomorrow. So if we close on the 1 hour chart with one candle above 440.13 tomorrow, boom, this is going to be a buy on the 1 hour chart. On the 1 hour chart. So this is only for a move. A move most likely to 452. We have some resistance here at 452. We had a hard time breaking it recently. And less recently, we have gone to 459 and 467. So if we are lucky, it's going to go a little bit higher. If we are not that lucky, then maybe at 452, this is going to be done for. But it's still not too bad. Getting in at 440 and selling at 452 It's a 12-buck move. It's better than a slap in the face. So this is a potential trade happening tomorrow. We are going to look at this on Discord tomorrow during the day. On the daily chart, no, stochastic is not over 60. So we don't see much impulse, much bullish impulse on the daily chart. And in fact, we are going a little bit lower right here. You know, we are a little bit lower, but we still have a low at 420.46 that has not been broken. So that's the good news. But in terms of indicators on the daily chart, we are not yet ready to have a move. A move on the daily chart most likely is going to happen when we break above 467.13. So this is going to be bullish if we close above. And this one, as I said yesterday, this is going to be bearish. This has not changed. Okay, so let's take a look at the VIX. VIX, we are happy today. The VIX is lower, 0.31 lower. We are at 1729. And I have mentioned in the past that 1739 is a nice resistance that became support. And now we are back into this congestion zone between 1348, which was pretty low, and 1739. So the fear factor of the stock market is going lower. So this should be helping everything. So Dow Jones. Look at this. Boom. Dow Jones 1% higher. Bouncing really nicely on this bullish channel. We had a couple of days outside, but now we are back into it. This is nice to see. S&P 500 also moving higher. We had some resistance at 68.13 November 4th and 5th. And now we broke it yesterday. Now we are continuing. So, but yeah, it's still pretty tight. Still pretty tight. This is a resistance here. This is a resistance here. So it's still pretty tight. So reaching 6,900 is going to be maybe hard. And because we could be reversing at those resistance. So we need to keep this in mind. No, it's not like the stock market has no frontiers. It's not like it has no frontiers. We have a lot of frontiers that we need to break above. So keep that into consideration when you are going long. Yes, you can find some stocks that are exceptions, but overall, S&P 500, you know, this is 500 stocks. This is an average of the 500 stocks. It's not all clear. It's not all clear. It is going to become all clear when we are going to start reaching 69.50 right here. This is going to be pretty clear. And then if we reach that number, then we are clear to go up to 7,500. But we have some milestone we need to break. So we are here every single day to keep an eye on this. And QQQ, the same thing, you know, nice day today. 0.27 down, but basically it's just a sideways day. This one is doing exactly what I'm describing. It is stopping at resistance. So we need to have a break here in order for the stock market to have a nice run until Christmas so that we can pay Christmas gifts to everybody we know. Nasdaq maintaining itself above 25,222. This is great. This is a nice sideways day. Yes, it's negative, but you know, look at the overall picture. We are pretty much even Steven. We even made a higher low, a lower high, but a higher low. So this is okay, and Russell also okay, but Russell has no bullish indicator yet, so this one is a little bit less interesting to look at. Let's go to gold and silver. Gold and silver continuing like crazy. So you know, the buy signal, we called a buy signal on this yesterday on Discord. So this was a buy signal on the daily chart. This is continuing. Still time to get in. Silver We did not call it yet because we have that resistance at 1696 to be precise. We did not call it because of that. You can call it 17. And we stopped at 17. So we were right in not calling it because based on this fact, we have not really broken above and closed above. We are right smack on it. So this is like playing the roulette in Vegas. You choose black, you choose red. Which one is going to happen? Are we going to cave in? Are we going to go higher? Nobody knows. Nobody knows. We just need to wait and see what decision the market is going to make. Bitcoin. Well, let's look at this. This is why we do these lines. We do these lines because the market is reacting to these lines. It's not a coincidence. 106, 437, 106, 437, 106, 437. This is an important line. Yesterday, we stopped there, just a bit below. And what did I say? What did I say? I said we need to break above in order to continue. Boom! We did not break above and closed above. We broke above temporarily and we closed lower. So this line made us not get into Bitcoin yet, and it was a great decision because we would be down 2.75%. This is why we do these lines, because we are observing the behavior of the market. The market is telling us what it wants to do. It's telling us when it's stopping. And then if it does not stop there anymore, it's telling us that the market has changed and that the market is bullish or bearish. So Bitcoin, not the time yet. It's not the time yet. Of course, if you want to buy, I don't care. This is not financial advice. You can buy when you want. I'm just giving you when will it be a high probability trade. That's it. Ethereum, well, same thing. Same thing. Stopped a different number, but stop here, and now going lower. So Ethereum is not yet ready, my friends. I would love it to be I would love it to be ready. I would love it. I am waiting for it to be ready. I am waiting for it to break, as I said, 36.55, which is this horizontal resistance, and break this and have stochastic over 60 at the same time. Boom. This is what I'm waiting for. Is it going to happen here? Is it going to happen lower? I don't know, but I'm just waiting for it to be happening in order to get back in. And because I'm doing this, well, you know, I am not holding Ethereum or Bitcoin that are into a downtrend. Because when a stock is into a downtrend, it can be into a downtrend for a long time. And the concept is to buy low, sell high, not buy high. And dollar cost averaging again, which is still buying high, because into a downtrend we should be going down. So dollar cost averaging down is not the best. This is not my personal decision. You can do it if you want. I'm gonna wait until we break the downward trend in order to dollar cost average it going up. So dollar cost averaging is fine when something goes up and has just a little bit of dips. This is fine. You know, if you dollar cost average here, that's fine. It was there, oops, went a little bit lower, you dollar cost average. This is perfectly fine. I dollar cost average here. This is fine. Why is it fine? Because we are into a bullish channel, we are going higher. But if you dollar cost average down, yes, you are reducing your average cost, but at what cost? You are putting money into something that's slipping down. So you are buying high, buying high because it's going lower, lower, and lower. You do what you want. I do what I want. I give my opinion. Create your YouTube channel. Express your opinion. I am expressing my opinion. This is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Voila. So, yeah. So Ethereum and then BMNR. BMNR, well, yeah, BMNR is falling a little bit today. So we are down 3.79%. Along with Ethereum, which fell 3.76%. So today, BMNR was in line with Ethereum. Sometimes it's not always in line, but today was completely in line. So that's it, that's all. So we have a buying opportunity that could be happening on Tesla tomorrow on the 1 hour chart. And if you want to know the other buying opportunities that we see right here, join us, private Discord server, YouTube membership, private Discord, boom, boom, you get this. And with one trade, you can pay for what it costs for a month membership. One trade. So thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. Click on my TradingView affiliate link. If you want a copy of those links to know where to put your or sell your covered calls and your covered puts, you can have these lines and copy them into your own TradingView account. So I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.